welcome back to the online class. Myself Mrs. Nivedita Matpati. I am here with the subject value education. Already you know that we have started value education, and for value education we are calling it as moral education also. Isn't it, children? So before I start the lesson, you have to open your textbook. See, this is the value education textbook, children. Yes, I can. A book of moral education. Yes, I can. A book of moral education. So already we have completed first unit, that is pray to God. Today we will continue with unit 2, that is keeping ourselves clean. Keeping oneself clean. You have to open the page number 7. Okay? You have to open page number 7. Keeping oneself clean. Okay? So let us start the lesson. See here, children, it's a story here. Keeping oneself clean means keeping ourselves clean. One means I am one here, isn't it? So keeping ourselves clean. So let us see how we have to keep ourselves clean. Already you have learnt in the EVS chapter, isn't it? EVS, you have learnt many clean habits, isn't it? How to keep yourself clean and healthy. So in this unit also we will discuss some more points. Okay, children? So before I start, here are some new words. We will discuss some new words here. Okay? See here, unit 2, keeping oneself clean. New words: Rahul, healthy, habits, brush, lazy, rinsed, angry, drank, idea, dirty, shorted, ashamed. Okay, these are the new words which you are going to learn in unit 2, keeping oneself clean. Okay, children? So in this unit, keeping oneself clean, there are 3 characters. Let me tell you who are those 3 characters. See, Rahul. Rahul is a small boy, and another 2 characters are Rahul's mother and sister. In this unit, there are 3 characters: Rahul, Rahul's mother and Rahul's sister. Okay? How many characters? 3 characters. So, now let us start reading. Rahul had clean and healthy habits. Okay? You can see to the picture, children. For you only I have, in your textbook also picture is there. Even though to make it clear, you can see to the picture here. Okay? See, Rahul had clean and healthy habits, but he did not like to brush his teeth. He was lazy, so he just rinsed his mouth before eating. See, Rahul had very clean and healthy habit, but only one thing he doesn't like, that is brushing his teeth. He was very lazy in brushing his teeth. So, he just rinsed his mouth before eating. So, rinsed means putting water into the mouth. Okay, children? Gargling and throwing it out. Okay? You can see in the picture, he used to not brush his teeth. Just he used to go in front of the sink. He used to on the tap and he used to put the water inside the mouth, and he used to throw it outside. Just rinsed. Okay? He used to just rinsed, means just gargling water inside the mouth and throwing it out. Next, his mother was very angry with this habit. So, his mother, means Rahul's mother, was very angry by this habit. Which habit? Yes, not brushing his teeth. One morning, he woke up and asked his mother to give him milk. She did not know that Rahul had not brushed his teeth. She gave him milk. He drank it. Then he came and sat at the breakfast table. See here, one morning what Rahul did? He woke up. Okay? He woke up and asked his mother to give milk to drink. So, what mother thought? She thought that, oh, Rahul might have brushed his teeth. So what she did? she gave the milk to Rahul. And again Rahul, after drinking the milk, he drank it. Okay. So after drinking the milk, then Rahul directly went and sat in front of the breakfast table. Okay. See, his sister told her mother about this. Mother was very angry. You can see, okay, in the picture. Rahul's mother and sister are there. What sister told? She is telling that, see, Rahul didn't brush his teeth. Without brushing his teeth, he drank the milk. And again, without brushing his teeth, without having the bath, he directly came and sat in front of the breakfast table. By knowing this, you can see in the picture, by knowing this, Rahul's mother got very angry on Rahul. Okay? Now turn the page, children, everyone. She had an idea. Who? She means here Rahul's mother. She had an idea. She kept a dirty plate in front of Rahul. Okay? You can see to the third picture, children, here. Okay? Rahul's mother, she made an idea. What she made an idea? She kept a dirty plate in front of Rahul. You can see in the picture. Okay? Who all are there? Rahul is there, Rahul's mother and Rahul's sister. All the three are there. Okay? So, what she did? Rahul's mother, she kept a dirty plate. You know, na children, dirty plate means which will be not cleaned neatly. Okay? That is known as dirty plate. Rahul shouted, "You expect me to eat in this dirty plate?" Okay? When Rahul's mother kept dirty plate in front of Rahul, he shouted, "What is this, mom? You want me to eat in this dirty plate?" Next, mother said, "I thought you would not mind having food in this dirty plate because you are going to use the same dirty teeth." See here, what she told? She told, "I thought it doesn't matter to you. If I keep dirty plate also, it should not matter to you." Okay? Because already you are using, you are eating, you are drinking with your dirty teeth. That's why I kept the dirty plate in front of you. Okay? Now, see, Rahul was ashamed to hear this. He ran to brush his teeth. From that day onwards, he brushed his teeth every day. See, hear these words, then he got ashamed. He got ashamed, children. Ashamed means got shy there. He made his face down. So, after that, what did he do? He ran to brush his teeth. Okay? After that, what he did? He ran to brush his teeth. From that day onwards, Rahul, what he did? He brushed his teeth every day. Got it, children? So, moral of the story is, keep yourself neat and clean always. Okay? What is the moral of the story? Keep yourself clean and neat always, children. Okay? So, this is the story. How to keep oneself clean. Okay? Keeping oneself clean. Oneself means is nothing but ourselves. Keeping ourselves clean, neat and healthy. Okay? It's a very interesting story. I want you to go through the story once again, and I want you to follow the cleanliness, the good habits. Create the good habits. Learn the good habits. Okay? And keep yourself neat and clean always. Neat, clean, healthy always. Okay, children? So, before I ending, there is a homework for you all. Write some 5 good habits. Write some good habits which you do daily. Okay? This is the homework for you all. You have to write down in your rough notebook, 4-line rough notebook in cursive handwriting. Okay, children? So, let me end up today's Unit 2, Keeping Oneself Clean. I will come with the new more interesting story in the subject Value Education in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, be happy. a good day.